I've generated over $50,000 online, and YouTube has been a massive factor in that. And the funny thing is, I've only got around 500 or so subs. So let me break down exactly how I did it. So as you can see over here, here is my content strategy. So this is my YouTube content strategy, and this is exactly how I'm leveraging YouTube to actually make me all this sort of money. Like I said, $50,000. And I'm also going to be showing you how people like over here, Nick Setting, Ravi Abuvala, Max Inhouse, all these big entrepreneurs making over 100K a month are leveraging YouTube to make more money. And it's so easy. Like YouTube is on easy mode for entrepreneurs, right? So the first thing you need to understand is you need to show up every single day to become really good at something, to become the best at something. You have to show up every single day. And it's the same case with YouTube. Just show up every single day, because no matter what you post, if you show up, if you make a commitment to posting every single day, YouTube is gonna see that. YouTube is gonna see you're logging onto their platform, you're uploading one video every single day, and guess what? They're gonna reward you for that. They're gonna reward you by pushing your videos out to new viewers, meaning you get exposed to new audiences. You get more views, more qualified views, that is. And that's converted to high ticket sales. And that's exactly what we want. So the first part of the process is posting one YouTube video a day. Now, I do not care what the video is about. As long as it's around your niche and you're making an educational content or educational video, that's perfectly fine. So I want you to now leverage the top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel concepts. Top of the funnel is basically when you're trying to make a video and you're trying to bring in new viewers, trying to bring in a new audience, right? For example, you're trying to maximize the reach it gets, trying to maximize the views. Okay. Then middle of the funnel, you're aiming to nurture your audience. So you want to nurture the people you got from top of the funnel, and you want to nurture them through your content. Maybe nurture them through the business model you preach, or nurture them through just the value you give anyway. So that's the middle of the funnel content. That's going to be more value-driven content. And then bottom of the funnel content is the type of content that converts viewers or your existing audience into potential clients or customers, and basically making them do something. So basically making them do a CTA, for instance, right? So top of the funnel is like all the way up here, you're bringing in new viewers. And then with those new viewers, you're going to aim to nurture them. So they're going to go even down in the funnel. And then they're going to go to the final step of the funnel, where you end up converting them. So you either make them take an action or you close them. And now they're through the entire funnel, and now they're down out of the funnel, and now they're in your client base. That's exactly how top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel works. So the split I would have it is I would do 60% of your content as top of the funnel, like top of the funnel, 60% of your content, 20% of your content should be middle of the funnel and nurturing your audience, and 20% should be bottom of the funnel. That's the perfect split you want to aim for. Okay, so let's go over some benchmarks, trackers, and target KPIs. So some benchmarks is you want to aim to get out 7 videos per week. It could be like, okay, so I'm just going to give a rough example of just some targets or KPIs which you should be setting if you want to really make some good money with YouTube. So you want to do 1 talking head video a week, 1 physical whiteboard video a week, 2 digital whiteboard videos a week, 2 Google Doc videos a week, and 1 Miro video a week. Now, one more thing I just want to emphasize is you don't want to direct the viewers to only one CTA, and that CTA is going to be a free school community, or if you have a free community, it's your free lead magnet, because then from there you can nurture them and aim to convert them as well from there. Just some benchmarks. Now, you may be asking, like, this guy's got 570 subscribers. He's made $50,000 online. He's 16 years old. Like, what does this mean? Like, how is YouTube still easy? Right? You probably still have the question, how is YouTube easy? Well, let me just show you. So, I don't know if you know this guy, Nick Setting. He's made over 100. Like, yeah, he's still past $105,000 in 12 weeks profit. And look at the kind of videos this guy makes. He's got 9K subscribers, or 8.5K, which is literally nothing. Like, that's not even a lot. He's posted 123 videos. Look at the kind of videos he posts. Look at them. 10, 15-minute YouTube videos, just like Miro boards, explaining concepts. You know how easy that is to make? You know, people like Mr. Beast or other people like educational creators that are spending hours of their time creating a talking head video that is so edited, only to bring them in 0 new clients. Or this guy, Nick Setting, making a simple video that probably took him like half an hour to make, and then just records it, and he prints thousands of dollars from it. Like, it's pretty insane. Look at that. Like, It's just a marble. Like, you can get this for free, and it takes you like 45 minutes to build the structure of the video, and then to record it another 15 minutes. That's like 1 hour. Bro spends 1 hour a day and prints thousands. All these guys out there, people like you, who are spending hours editing, refining your video, only to get one video out a week, and even that doesn't convert. So I want you to switch styles. This kind of style is the style that prints money now, and this is the one I'm doing right now. This is why you're watching me, right? As you can see, look, even though it doesn't get so many views, he converts all of them. He converts all of them, right? So that is the main part. Now, if you may like wondering, okay, that's someone else, right? Next setting, don't really know him. I'm sure you've heard of Ravi Agarwal. This guy makes over, he's scaled to over 25 million. He's got a YouTube channel of 100k subscribers. If you look at the video he makes as well, they're so low production videos. They're so easy to make. Yeah, he still makes a lot of money. If you look at one of his videos, look at that. He literally sits down. It's just him talking, and then he has his iPad, so you can use your phone. He has his iPad and just starts to join random stuff on his iPad. Like, do you know how easy that is? If you know stuff about your niche, this is so easy to create. Every single one of his videos like this, and this is why he makes a lot of money. They're so low production, and they're value driven. That's the main thing. He can get the value across really quickly, and it's just so easy to make. You can just make more of these. Like, he's made 3 videos in the past week. Right? You've probably made 3 videos in the past month. Right? Look at that. And also, one other person. This guy's got 470 subscribers, and he makes, I think, over $100,000 a month as well, max in-house. Look at the kind of videos he makes. So, exact similar to what I'm making. Right? I booked 50 Kaiser calls in 2 weeks. Look, Mario board. You see, Mario board videos, or just videos like Loom style videos, Google Doc style videos, these are the future. This is the future of where content lies for educational creators. This is where the money lies. You can make these sort of videos, one every single day, and that's going to pinch you thousands and thousands of dollars. So this is what I want you to take away. High production videos, they're not good for making money. These kind of videos right here, because you're an entrepreneur watching this video, right? Because if you're not an entrepreneur, I don't know why you've clicked on this video. Maybe you want to become an entrepreneur. But if you want to become an entrepreneur, already are one right now, these are the kind of videos that you should be making. Because as I showed you, Nick Setting, Ravi Agarwal, Max In-House, these guys have scaled their businesses past $100,000 leveraging YouTube. And I'm on track to do the exact same with these type of videos. So if people like them are doing it, people that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month, as an entrepreneur, so low production, you can see how low production it is. You know, I literally didn't even script this video. I just opened Loom and just started talking. It's so easy. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, this is the style of content moving forward for entrepreneurs. Alright, so you can see here's the video plan. So you can use digital whiteboards like either Canva, Freeform. You can even use physical whiteboards. Like if you look at Charlie Morgan's old videos that got him millions of dollars. He just used a physical whiteboard and just taught concept for like 1 hour, and that made him so much money. Even Google Doc videos and talking head videos as well, like once a week. That's still key. But yeah, this is the style of content that is moving forward. This is the new meta for entrepreneurs. Now, if you want to start driving traffic to your business from this style of content, I want you to click in the first link in the description. There's a free community that shows you exactly how you can drive traffic to your business. Make sure you join that.